emerge 560. We're gonna be playing the Battle Cats. I'm not trying to steal my. It's just I had nothing to do, so I decided to do this video. Here's how I'm playing it. Let's just play. If you all want me to do a series out of this game, sure. I'll do it. If I start a series, I'm probably not gonna stop the series like the Geometry Dash Meltdown series. I'm just gonna keep on going with it until I beat all the levels. But yeah, let's go inside. This is taking forever, and these videos are gonna be maybe 12 minutes long each time, so that's a little bit longer. And let's go. However, there's nothing anyone who went to law school to be able to second guess. So let me make this simple. The closest thing that we have got on Earth is a certain when show crisis terrorism and a brand new threat appears. The battle cats we found it's too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We are powerless to their region. We cannot stop their legion. Come on. Come to think of it, cats already invaded the internet too. We have the best information technology system in catch. By the way, the developers of the cat want to enter your TV. Why is the new weapon a cat? And he answered, because I love cats. Are you serious? I just read what I've written. It's horrible, so horrible. I've forgotten how bad my writing was. My biggest mistake was I don't know who I am writing to. Remember the days as a kid wanting to be now now I wanted to be a millionaire of the social network service. I mean, if you have money, you don't need love, right? Yes, no? Whatever. The answer is, I want to tell you one thing. The battle cats aren't so bad. That's pretty much it. That's really interesting, guys. Wow. There we go. Now we're in the battle cats. Talking to my people. I'm just gonna skip this because I don't feel like reading. Next. Start. Okay. The battle cats. Let's play. I'm making a video. Korea. Korea. And if y'all can hear some stuff in the background, that's my grandpa watching TV. Anyways, let's attack Korea. With the battle begins. So apparently our cats are too cute to fight back. So they got dogs.
The good news is
I'm a cat.
a doctor can think he's a god as long as he saves my ass in the OR. Our strategy is to find people who feel comfortable with search so long as their jerks are on their side.
No, they have a castle. We kind of like our base, though, right? Go cats! Go cats! Everybody loves cats. You know, I don't know if everybody does.
You know you enjoyed going up against Rose in the mock trial. I know. And that's why he needs to. Seriously? We're up against a sympathetic young woman who wanted nothing more than to be a mother. Balance out
Dang it.
her ego.
Guys, let's level up.
Well, who do you have in mind? Welcome back, Liberty. Glad to have you back. You remember Benny? Really? Wait till you meet the client. Which one is the magic acquittal time? No magic. Medicine for the soul. In here, I'm the surgeon. And you a flatline. You can pump a little life into it, huh? Structured jacket, red tones, bells, and straight. Square. Can't imagine anyone can care what I wear. I'm gonna pretend you didn't. I'm a doctor. You want to put me in a lab coat? Oh, that's soft psychology. Something called enclosed cognition. Subtle changes in clothing affect the person's perception of it.
Yeah, we won. That is what I'm talking about. See some treasure. Okay. Cat food has been missing. Sorry, guys. More until you 29. Get the special cat. Okay. Special bonus received. You got an item, one rare ticket received. Okay. Not too bad. What do we have here? We don't really need that. Welcome to the cat base. Prepare yourself for battles here. When you're ready, attack. Upgrades.
Liberty. Ready to spin the wheel of fortune and call what here?
For the question you want to ask the jury, I actually enjoy spinning the wheel.
Doc. Doc. How'd you peg this more? Relax. Let's hope dancing isn't part of this relaxation routine.
Speed up.
Are we going in? Or standing outside for a trial science too? Too late to see science?
Yeah. We have a new person.
You can have it back when you.
Am I level 1? How many levels am I? Okay, so this is good stuff. I'm talking in the video. Sorry guys that my grandpa went to the cat base. There's new cats waiting to be upgraded. Yeah. The record cat is important. Higher levels to get more money. More money means more cats. Upgrade all the cats. You need to upgrade cats quickly. If you can't spare time to clear stages, you can always buy more XP packs at the cat shop using cat food. Go have a look. Use a cat CPU to collect XP and treasure even when you're busy. It's just an AL. So don't expect strategic genius from an auto player. Okay. Cleaning strap for cash to start your fight with a full wallet and a motivated worker cat using a rich cat PSST. Psst. See that inquiry code at the upper left of the title screen? Write it down. You might regret not having it when it counts. Can't I? Save yourself sometimes using a speed of to curious those long stages seems like it doesn't help your point on the time the scores stages that using each other it radar will make it sure you get those hard to get treasure and drop items. Missing a piece from your set? This is the tool you use. You can confirm your cat's using traits and special abilities by tapping the icon at bottom right of the unit information text box. Save yourself sometimes. Use the speed up to cruise through those long states. Seems like it doesn't help you for your points on timeless four states. Thought you can count on feline pro- prodigy cat jobs. You get the most XP for your time trying try using this item on levels when you're already big XP rewards. Long range attacks strike from away enemies, but not those right in front of the unit. Keep baddies away from long range attackers so they can fight well. How many of these are there? There's so many of them. Guys, there's so many of them. I think I was reading that for no reason. Yeah, I think I was reading that for no reason because there's too many. Okay, let's start. Let's do one more round and then we'll be done with this video. Mongolia. Let's attack Mongolia. Sounds like a good idea. The battle begins. Yep. It always begins, guys. Ooh, they cost 100. Are those the dogs? Let's go, bud. Wow, you were really long. Wow, I did not expect you to be that long. Okay, now we need some of these guys. Oh, they have snakes. Dang it. Okay. We're not ready. We are not ready. We are not ready. Use another one of these long cats. I think we're gonna take down their base. Almost dead. Come on. Come on. Work. Work. Come on. You can do it. Okay, guys. I have to end it now. Because my thing is about to go out and it's about to say because I did it in less than 50 minutes. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this part. and we'll see you